Understanding Fruit Pectin, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fruit pectin. This is a common term in cooking and food science, and understanding its meaning can help you in both your language studies and culinary adventures. Let's dive into what pectin is and why it's important. Pectin is a type of natural carbohydrate found in the cell walls of plants, especially fruits. It's what gives jams and jellies their thick, spreadable texture. When pectin is heated with sugar and fruit, it causes a gelling effect. This is why it's so popular in the making of preserves and jellies. Not all fruits have the same amount of pectin. Generally, citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, and hard fruits like apples and pears, are high in pectin. On the other hand, soft fruits like strawberries have much less. This is important to know when making jams and jellies, as the amount of pectin can affect the final product's texture. Pectin isn't just used for cooking. It's also known for its health benefits. Pectin can help in digestion and is often used as a dietary fiber supplement. Moreover, it's used in some medicinal products to help relieve diarrhea and lower cholesterol levels. Understanding fruit pectin not only expands your English vocabulary but also gives you valuable knowledge in cooking and nutrition. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you in the next lesson.